Hi everyone and welcome back to the studio. Today I'm here to talk about our special partnership with Amazon. So Amazon have recently launched the digital signage stick, and you might be familiar with Amazon in digital signage already, with many people using the Fire Stick as a digital signage device. But Amazon, being Amazon, decided to go one level further. They developed the Amazon Signage Stick. This is a bespoke developed digital signage hardware which allows you to run digital signage on this tiny device. So you're probably thinking, why did Amazon make a digital signage device? Well, lots of people were using the Fire Stick for digital signage playback, but because it had lots of apps and bloatware on that device, it wasn't conducive to digital signage playback. You need this custom device with a custom piece of firmware which makes digital signage playback flawless. And we're very proud to announce that we're one of the only digital signage apps to be running natively on the Signage Stick, and we have been blown away by the performance of this device. It runs its own custom firmware, which is optimized for digital signage. Our content has been running flawlessly, including lots of videos, 4K content, tickers, and heavy dashboards on this tiny device. So Amazon were looking for a way to power their screens across their retail estate and in their corporate head offices, and thought it was crazy that they had their own hardware that wasn't optimized for digital signage. So with the internal hardware and software teams working together, they developed an extremely secure firmware and operating system that works on this device. So what do you get in the box? You obviously get the Signage Stick itself. You also get an HDMI cable, the magic remote, instructions, and the power lead. So how do you power this? So it can be done either via the USB of the screen that you're using, or just a standard USB plug, which makes life really, really simple. The setup is just 3 simple steps. What you need to do is plug in your Signage Stick to your screen, obviously give it some power, and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. You'll then get a unique code for your Signage Stick. Log into the Amazon Signage console, where you can verify and assign your device. Choose your signage provider and choose TrouDigital from the list. You'll then be able to assign our application to your Signage Stick. Once it's done, the TrouDigital app will be loaded onto the device. You can then log into your TrouDigital software and assign your license key, which will allow you to send content to your device. And once your device is added to the TrouDigital platform, you can manage it like you would do any other device. You can create content from our studio, schedule in playlists, and add configurations through the screen section. And being an environment that's controlled by Amazon, we constantly get operating system and security updates on the device. So you don't need to worry about flashing Android devices or pushing updates yourself. They all happen automatically when you reboot your device. These will also be added to the console that Amazon are constantly upgrading. If you want to learn more or want to try the Signage Stick yourself, feel free to reach out on our website or visit the landing page below to learn more about the security features and the performance.